Whether you admit it or not, if you don't have your morning bowels on time, you will lose peace. You may not even feel like doing anything else. You may not feel like going to work too. Also, timely bowel movements keep you healthy and constipation is unhealthy for your system. But still, on some days your bowel movements could betray you for some of the other reason. Of course, you can change your diet or find some other way to tackle the problem in the long run. But what would you do to instantly get your bowel movements to save yourself on that particular day? Well, here are some simple tips. Drink a cup of hot water. Yes, it works. You don't need to mix anything, simply drink plain warm water. You can add a few drops of lemon juice to it. It works in many cases. Try doing 10 squats gently. For some people this works well. Frankly speaking, most of us seldom squat because of using Western style toilets. Squatting is good for your bowel function. Take a walk, but don't go too far away. Walk inside your home for 5 minutes to see if it can move your bowels. This tip could work in many cases. You can gently massage your abdominal muscles for a few minutes. In some cases, this could move the bowels instantly. Drink a cup of ginger tea. Hot tea can stimulate your bowel function in the morning. You can get rid of the toxic load fast. In future, if you wish to avoid this problem, ensure that you eat a fiber-rich diet that contains vegetables and fruits. Also, your digestive system needs the help of healthy bacteria. Consume prebiotics at least occasionally.